Hello, guys. So, this is me on Vilapur station. I would just say in short, boarding from Mumbai with excitement packaged heavier than luggage because today we are heading to Delhi for something extraordinary. This was me in the morning, and the view was very beautiful. As I was looking outside, I see the airport, that is Mumbai Airport. Because I was going for an ASOS event. It was a launch in Delhi, and ASOS invited us. I was really blessed to go there. This is me and the ticket, and this was the shot that I took for my Instagram and Snapchat. This was the flight I was waiting for to be aboard. This is me again. Of course, I was so excited because you will see in the end why I was excited. As you already know, above the clouds where idea feel limitless. Anticipation builds what ASUS has in store. So I was really very excited. This was my flight window, when I was sitting in the middle seat. Of course, you will look at me exhausted because after having my breakfast, I went to sleep and I woke up when I landed up in Delhi. So, Delhi welcomes us with the energy, and right at the heart of it, innovation comes alive. So, it was a grand unveiling, a new era of technology where performance meets design and power meets elegance. Every detail crafted, every feature refined. This isn't just a product launch, it's a statement. Trust me, guys, this is me. We were heading to Andaz by Hayat. The event was actually based there. And when we finally reached there, it was really very technology energy, I would say, because everybody was so much involved. We were around 15 to 20 people invited from Mumbai, from different, of course, sectors. This is me. This was my look for the event, and this was the band handed unto us. Now, this is very the perfect blend of style, confidence, and innovation brings the vision of life. ASUS Expert Book B series. Trust me, guys, they were server. This is what they were explaining. It was perfect in every aspect, and the detail of this server, guys. Trust me, you'll go crazy when you get into this. This guy was giving us the demo, and to be honest, I loved it. This was, you won't believe, this was 8 kg, and he said it can go to 9 kgs. This is me lifting up by myself and checking if that's true. Yes, it was heavy. This was the series wherein you can literally, they were throwing the laptop down and it did not had a single scratch. This is like a yoga ultrabook, even if it bends, nothing happens to the screen. This was nano ceramic series, and this all was launching by ASUS today in front of dealers, distributors, OEMs, and other sector retails, you can say. So this was the ASUS event and addressed by all the CEOs, CXOs, and directors and others from of ASUS. So this was basically, they were showing how the ASUS was found. So you already know the people were from Taiwan. They were dressing. So it was founded in 1989, if you all know. And ASUS is globally known for its laptop gaming devices like ROG series, motherboard, and look at this launch. I mean, it was booming. The sound, clarity. If you see the new series of ASUS that has been launched, amazing. Okay. From impressive demos to powerful conversation, this was more than an event. It was an experience, trust me. And the ambassador, then the spotlight shines brighter as the face of ASUS in the Indian takes the stage. That is Raj Samani, guys. And trust me, it is one of my favorite influencer. I did not thought Raj Samani would be addressing all of us. The perfect blend of style, confidence, as I mentioned earlier. I fell in love with the event when I saw Raj Samani addressing all of the questions about how we can use the AI, what is ASUS, why is promoting ASUS and other stuff. This is me when we were coming back from a lovely, impressive demo and powerful conversations. As the night deepens and the city slows down, it is time to head back. And a late flight, tired but a mindful of inspirations that I was carrying in my bag. Now back to Mumbai, where it all began, but with new idea, new energy, and a new story worth telling. Because some journey don't end up when you land; they stay with you, inspiring what comes next. Thank you, Futurix Technologies and Brainframe Technology, for giving me this chance. And thank you, ASUS, for inviting us. I'm really looking forward.